So friends, today I will be showing you how to use drop down box in Google form. So I'll again start on with a blank form, and I think my network is slow, so it's taking much time. Here let me put map question. You can use it as in different ways, as in what way you want it. So I want it for map question. You can give the description as you want it. Then I'll not do all the basic requirements. I'll just do the setting work, limit to one response, quizzes, and I'll make it put it on for quizzes and save it. So now here we will go to this box and we'll click on drop down box. Now I will give the question as question 1. Uh, select select the state mark 1 on the map. Now this is my question. Now here I'll first um, bring the image what I want, the map. Here's the image. I'll drag it and I'll put it here. Give it some time, it will be seen here on this screen. Here I got my map, but as I feel it's pretty big, I'll make it a bit smaller. Yes, you can see this is marked as 1. Now what I'll do is I'll write all the 5 states here. Like it is Rajasthan, then Maharashtra, and then the third one I will write is Gujarat, then the fourth one I'll write is Karnataka, and the fifth one is Kerala. And now here, now because there are 5 states, I'll make 5 questions out of the same question. So now here is an option for here duplicate, it says, that is when I click on this question will appear, same question will appear down again. So here it is, then here it is 4 and 5. Now what I have to change is the question number here. Now I'll say this is 5 and on marked as 5. Now this is question 4 and I'll say as question 4 and number 4. Okay, same way I'll make it as question 3. I'll make it question 3 and the state marked 3. Then this will be 2, then here again it will be 2. Okay, and here question 1. Okay, now I'll mark the answer. So this select the state marked 1 on map. So the answer is Kerala and I mark it as 1. Okay, and then I say done. Okay, then the same way I'll go to question 2 and they say mark 2 on the map. So 2 is Karnataka. I will click on Karnataka. I'll mark it as 1 point and then I'm done with it. Same way I come to question 3. Question 3 is state 3, that is Maharashtra. I'll click on answer Maharashtra, and here it is 0.1, and then I'm done with it. Same way, state 4 is Gujarat. So I'll first click on answer key, go to Gujarat, I'll mark it again 0.1, and I'm done with it. And then here's question 5. 5 is Rajasthan. First I'll click on this so I get this blue answer key. I'll click on Rajasthan as my correct answer and I'll mark it as 0.1 and I'm done with it. Now let's do the preview. When I go to preview, see, now this is how I get my question. So this is the drop down box. When I click on it, now 1 is Kerala. I select the answer. Now 2 is Karnataka. Then 3 is Maharashtra. Then 4 is Gujarat and 5 is Rajasthan. So I have finished with the answers. I will submit, and when I go back to my Google form, see, I have got one response, and this response here you can see I will view my score, and my score is 5 out of 5 because the points that I was getting here is total points 5. So this is how you can use the drop down box. That's all for today. Thank you, friends.